Well, today is the day when my hard work is paid off, and I wanted to share with you guys. So my third book has arrived in the mail. This is a book that I promise you I never thought would see the light of day because of everything that happened in between me writing the book. But so I'm so excited to see actually see this book, the physical copy of this book. Ooh, this look good, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Never give up, hard work, it pays off, even when it felt like that this book would have never happened. To be holding it in my hand right now is very exciting for me. I just kept going. Now, on to the next one. This is a book that you definitely want to get a copy of. It's a great story. I'm a master storyteller. It deals with poetry, domestic violence, police brutality, love, and commitment and rejection. It's all in this story. Good story. You definitely want to check it out. I'm very excited for those who pre-ordered the book, for the great reviews I've gotten so far. The early reviews that I've gotten. I want to thank you guys for supporting me. This is my third book, and I'm going to keep going. I'm about to start on my fourth book, and thank you guys for everything.